Okay, let's take a look at an embedded faxing application for use inside of WebEx app. On the screen, you should be seeing the WebEx application, just normal, messaging, meetings, calling, etc. If I pop open the sidebar here, you can see some embedded applications that I've put in here using the WebEx Control Hub to authorize me to have a couple of embedded applications, FaxSIPit being one of them. So if I click in FaxSIPit, it just loads the application into the main window here. Sometimes you have to log in if your session is expired, but I'm already logged in, and I've actually already got some pre-populated information in here, like obviously the fax from account number. This is my fax number here where I would receive messages to. In fact, I'm gonna fire up a fax right now. I'm gonna pull this down here. I'm gonna use our another faxing option here, a little email to fax solution that we have to fire off an email into this thing right now while I'm talking. So I'm gonna just send this. So I've sent it to my FaxSIPit fax number using a First Digital fax solution. I've I've put a subject line in here, just a little one-page attachment because this is what the actual fax is. And then what's in the body of the email shows up as the cover page. So let me just send that off and then we can talk about this while that's coming in. So with FaxSIPit, what you're getting is a carrier grade platform that's built for fax transport reliability. It has 99.99% uptime architecture, and it features like intelligent retry for faxing that if you have an unsuccessful fax transmission, it will intelligently retry until the delivery is successful, which is usually transparent to the sender. But built-in redundancy inside of the fax network. Um, it's all encrypted end-to-end with HTTPS and TLS, and that is both in transit and at rest. So it's compliant for HIPAA and SOC 2 compliant businesses. So you can rest assured that the fax solution meets any regulatory needs that you have. So let's just send a fax. So I've sent a fax to my FaxSIPit number. I'm going to send one from it. So again, I've got some pre-populated information. I've got this fax number in here as the recipient. This will come to my email as well, and it'll attach the file that I'm going to put in here. So let me just grab the same PDF file that I had sent to myself via the other one here. So let's see, downloads and test attachment. It's just a little one-page file. Optionally, I can add some cover page stuff. So I'm going to just say from Chad Posel to Connor Ebanks and First Digital. So test cover page, just so we can see what this looks like. And then I can include that into the thing. So see the facts regarding the partner program at Cisco. So this is what that one page document has on it. So I've got everything set. I'm going to click send. Fax submitted. So I can either send a new fax or view the status. So I'm just going to come to the view status page here and watch these the status bars spin and see what we have here from the faxing standpoint. The one I just sent's in process. We have 4 successful and a failed attempt. And then I've got the send folder here, and then the received is in here as well. So you can already see that I have the fax that I had sent myself via the First Digital email to fax solution, which we call VFax. It's already in here waiting for me to retrieve that fax. I can download it, I can preview it, etc. So if I click the preview, you can just see this is exactly what I typed into the email screen, test fax. Here's the cover page, and then if I go down, here's the actual attachment, which is just the cover page to this partner program situation. So that fax is already in there, so that's great that was that quick. Let's come back over to here, and see what we've got from. It's still processing. It takes anywhere from about 30 to 90 seconds for small faxes. Obviously, if you have um, larger attachments where we're talking, 10, 20, 30, hundreds of pages, it can take more time for the fax transmission to be successful. But once that comes in, I'll show you exactly what that looks like from here. So let's just get a quick refresh. The fax hasn't shown up in my email inbox yet, but so I know that it's not quite successful yet. Oh, there it is. So let me grab that, open that up, and pull it down here. So um, so here's the fax that came in, and this is the fax delivery message. That the fax that I just sent from FaxSIPit was successful. Here it is right here. And again, this is the fax delivery message that was sent from the previous fax. So let's see if we've actually got the fax that we're talking about here delivered to me yet. Here we go. Okay, so it came to my email. Here's the fax that was sent. Again, fax cover sheet. I typed Connor Ebanks, First Digital, etc. See the facts regarding the partner program, and then the attachment. So pretty straightforward, pretty quick, and encrypted in at rest and while it's in transit. So if I refresh this, this will go from blue to green because we now know that I've gotten it. So that's it in a nutshell. Appreciate it.